Southgate Kia is committed to protect the health of our community, including our clients and employees.
Our service department has created a home pickup and delivery program for your safety and convenience. When you schedule a service appointment, we will pick up your vehicle from your house, perform maintenance or repairs, and bring it back to you when we are finished. You can also complete the entire buying process for a new vehicle from home. To get started, look through our inventory. Once you choose a vehicle, click Buy from Home. You will be able to see your payments and details. We have a chat tool that can guide you and respond to any question in English and Spanish. We can also contact you through FaceTime or video call and explain any detail required by you. We will then deliver your new vehicle to your doorstep.
In this uncertain time, we want you to know that we're here for you. Our teams are ready to assist you.
No physical contact required.